Lovely. I love the good old ADL 5400.
Yeah, same.
Sam, people getting off. I know dual door. Yeah, because this one has a dual door.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. This one's recently transferred from 7278 from, I think, Westliff or Armstrong Way.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Used to be West London.
Yeah, it used to be, yeah. Yeah, it used to be. AWU. Yeah, this one's basically painted to go coach colours. Not too long ago, in fact. Not too long.
Come on, man. Are you lot filming?
Yeah.
I don't want to be in you lot's way. Let's go.
SN59 AWU. Nice. So I can tick this bus off my list then. I've done every bus in the Go Coach. Good. I miss this bus from 278.
Do you?
Yeah, this was actually the
278 came out in 2019.
no, but this one was the last bus I actually got on the 278. You know that?
Is it?
The last bus before it was withdrawn from service.
Oh.
AWU. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I still remember going on there.
Yeah. Was it
Yeah.
on Abellio?
Yes. Oh, there's an ant.
Right?
Yeah. There's a little ant.
That just goes to show how these buses.
Yeah. But it's nice and clean, isn't it? Like they keep their buses clean. This is what I like.
So this is from Dawley Road, I believe,
I believe so, yes.
or Hayes Garage.
So this is SN59 AWU. So those of you who are based in like Ruislip, like Heathrow areas would know this was on the 278. And this one was bandit blinded as well. Along with AWR, which is not with Go Coach.
It's very reminiscent of the old tribals.
This is an E40D. I missed this bus when it was in on the 278 with on
Yeah.
But this is Go Coach Fire's recent acquisition.
This is broccoli.
Yeah, this is
Yeah, broccoli, yeah.
Broccoli rise. Because
Yeah.
172, I just saw it.
that's the
Start.
terminus there.
Yeah.
172.
This is in the borough of Lewisham.
Yeah. We're coming up to Property Park.
Southeast London.
There's where the iBus used to be. Sad. That's called London now. There's no more of these SN59s around.
It is a show, to be honest.
These buses
And there's
were
some,
good in their heyday.
there's some that were in Go Coach. They were came for the 414.
I see a bus from earlier.
Yeah.
DW.
And these buses were good in their heyday.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
I think it's something
They were, bro.
Well, that might be a different one, depends on the reg. That might not be
171.
CFD. It might be CFD, because I think CFD is out as well. But that's not an SN06, I can tell from here, because the...
You could tell by the handrails at the top.
Yeah, X first.
Yeah. I think this bus was from 231, I believe.
No, this
Over there.
bus- Yeah, that bus.
Yeah. I'm talking about that bus that is passing
I think
by.
that's CFE, yeah, it's the same bus.
Yeah, I know that one. It was on the 231. So there's some that are X1414 and 278.
This one isn't, no, this one's 278.
Oh, 278,
Yeah,
okay.
this one.
And then some that are in Go Coach Hire are from 414.
Yeah, the AWA, AW, I'm not sure what I've got, what the ones are. I've caught most of them, but I don't know about the reg.
So I believe this one's from 278.
It is.
Well, it could be transferred when the 414 was passed to Town Transit.
I'm not sure, but the recent one was 278.
Oh, okay.
Before this one got withdrawn from CFL.
Yeah. If you look on Flickr, it will tell you back when this bus was usually operated with, if you know what I mean.